In this video, I will show you how to join private group on WeChat. Open up your WeChat app. Click on this plus sign from the top. Click on Add Contacts. Click on Join Private Group. Enter the security code. Then go ahead and click on Join this group.